Hey everybody, I'm Jason Nickel, CEO of Imposium, where we're unlocking creativity through data. What we mean by that is, marketing shouldn't be one size fits all. That's why there's been so much talk around programmatic creative and personalization. But there's been one form of media that's been a challenge to personalize. Of course, I'm talking about video. The process for producing video is stuck in an old model. Traditionally, footage is gathered or shot, it gets edited, then rendered, and uploaded to the web for a result that's one size fits all. With Imposium, we're championing a new idea. We still gather the footage, but we edit it differently in a creative way that leaves spaces to be personalized for the viewer. We then fill these spaces with data. This can come in the form of many different things like social profiles, personal data, or images and video clips. To incorporate the footage and data, we then render it in real time using the most advanced rendering engine in the industry. The result is a personalized video unique to each viewer. We believe this is the ultimate experience. Personalized stories distributed like mass media. The best way to understand how all this works is to see some examples. Destiny is a game by Activision. It's a first-person shooter where players are set out to protect Earth from alien invaders. Gamers love customizing and building up their avatars, so to help promote the game, we created The Legend of You. Users would go to the site, enter in their gamer ID, and we would create a personalized video for each individual player using their top 3 stats from the game. Things like the number of times they beat a boss, their favorite weapon, their kill-death ratio. We even came up with a personalized name for each player based on their playing style. Each user came up with their own video, therefore no two are alike. Fans reacted in a huge way. We created over 1 million videos in just one single day with 0 paid media. These are fully qualified views that are viewed one-to-one with a guaranteed audience. No other company could create so many videos in such a short amount of time. Another example is from Letgo, a mobile classifieds app. They want to sell your old stuff. But online classified ads are just not that exciting like this one for Clairol Foot Spa. And certainly no one wants to share this on social media. So we created the Letgo Commercializer, an online experience to turn your dull secondhand ad into an over-the-top Hollywood-style commercial. Sellers would simply upload their image, set their description and price, and then choose a commercial. And that's it. One of the templates we had was an 80s-style action movie starring none other than Dolph Lundgren himself. He's on a mission to recover your lost item. In this case, it's that old Clairol Foot Spa we saw earlier. So the colonel tosses over the dossier, Dolph opens it up, you see the seller's image, the seller's location, he's going through the jungle, he's stabbing a knife through your picture, he's going to get that thing back. Users can choose from 4 different types of commercials, including a home shopping network ad, a Viagra ad, even a bizarre perfume ad. Sellers loved creating these commercials so much, they shared it on social media over 1 million times. So, how does it all work? When we shot and filmed the footage with the agency, we left spaces blank to be personalized for the viewer. We then replaced those spaces with the seller's images. Here they're marked with X's, so you can see them more clearly. So we then rendered in real time, putting in those shots of the image, the price, their location. Really, it can be anything. So here we have an RV trailer that he's going after, a Jeep Cherokee, even an old pair of shoes. Sellers love creating this content, and the result is a video that's unique for each individual user, something that they want to share on social media. So how did we get here? A few years ago, we did an activation for Halloween where we had a website where users were prompted with a blue lollipop and the message, "I dare you." What they then saw was a creepy man in his dingy apartment who seemed to know all about them. In this case, it's my profile. So he was looking at my social posts, pictures of my friends and family, even the location of where I was, touching the screen, creeping out on it. It felt like he was really looking at my profile. Today, people still use this as a baseline example at creative agencies for personalized videos. To date, we have 600 million video downloads on that and became the fastest growing Facebook app ever. And we even won an Emmy for Outstanding New Approaches. So those are some big budget productions that we've shown, but we can start working with you today using your existing video assets and data, like we did for Marriott. We created individualized ads based on the number of Marriott rewards points a user had. So for the same cost of distributing one video, we distributed over 1 million videos and doubled their click-through rate. We've been a company for 5 years, and in that time, we've done a number of personalized videos for companies like Google, T-Mobile, Toyota, and Juicy Fruit, and others. And for each one, we made it really easy. We integrated with their existing distribution platforms automatically. I've just scratched the surface on what we can do. If you're interested in learning more, please come find me after it. Thank you.